Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Civic 1.6 diesel. Now walking around the car, you'll notice you do get 4 front parking sensors, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and of course your LED fog lights. You also get these brilliant 17-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do actually get on these alloys. Walking around to the rear now, as you can see, you also get 4 rear parking sensors. You get a nice little reversing camera just up at the top there as well. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we have got your 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. You also get a nice little pull-over privacy shelf as well, and then a 12-volt power outlet just under here for any outer cooler boxes. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we've got the full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points just down at the bottom. We've got full electric automatic windows all round as well. Jumping in the front of the car, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your economy mode and your stop start on or off. We've then got a 6-speed manual gearbox with your dual climate control in the front and your 7-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. All of your various audio sources just there, and of course your Bluetooth hands-free is just here as well. You also get the climate control option as well, and then you can see you've got the reversing camera just there. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, onboard computer control, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. These arrows here work between your infotainment system and of course your onboard computer up at the top. We've then got your cruise control and speed limiter with your distance control and your lane keep assist. On the left we've got automatic headlights, we've got automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has only done 23,875 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.